guys, it's Frank with Frank Talks coming to you from a new undisclosed location. So let's see. So this week I wanted to talk a little bit about the differences between conservatives and libertarians. I was talking with a friend of mine from Twitter. We were talking about this topic. She wasn't sure if she considered herself a libertarian or a conservative. So we talked about what the differences are between the two philosophies. One of the main things that I think it comes down to, and I talk to libertarians a lot, and conservatives are beginning to take on this idea as well, but I think that it's essentially a libertarian idea. It's this idea that if it is voluntary, it should therefore be legal. Um, and I think I've expressed in these videos before that I don't agree with that. But my purpose here is to give you guys, sound bites to help you to better articulate your views. That is, if you agree with my views, and if you don't, hey, maybe we'll have a debate in the comment section. So I don't agree with the idea that just because it's voluntary that it's moral, or even that just because it's voluntary it should be legal. I think that laws should be a statement of public conscience. So, like the law, we have laws against murder because we all know, whether you're a Christian, an atheist, whatever background you come from, intuitively that murder is wrong, and then same for theft. And then there are issues where it starts to get a little bit more dicey. But we go with do the majority of people believe that it's wrong? And is it harmful to what we call the social fabric? So, something like, if I tell a lie, and I was a Christian, I believe that lying is wrong. And I think most people would agree lying is not a good thing. But, a little lie, like, isn't going to unravel the social fabric. Will survive, and it doesn't require government force to intervene in something like that. But if it's a bigger lie, if it's something like fraud, false advertising, if it's a breach of contract, those are forms of lying where the government should come in and should say, hey, you had this contract, and now we are the institution of force, and we're going to uphold this contract. And a lot of my libertarian friends and some conservative friends are, they'll kind of freak out about that. But that's the purpose of the government. That's what it's there to do. So there's my thoughts on that. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like our page on Facebook, and subscribe to us on YouTube. And check back here every Friday for new videos. Thanks.